So today out here on the roads here in Jeddah, there's police cars, fire engines, ambulances, other emergency services vehicles absolutely everywhere. These emergency services vehicles have been out on the roads on standby since yesterday. Now, if I were to ask you to guess which emergency it is that these vehicles are preparing for, I bet 99.9% of you wouldn't be able to guess what it is. Quite simply, it's rain. So why is rain such a big deal here? Well, the obvious answer is because it rains so rarely here, whenever it does rain, it's a bit of a novelty. In fact, on average, Saudi Arabia sees between 50 to 60 millimeters of rainfall per year. By comparison, a relatively dry country like Australia sees on average over 400 millimeters of rainfall per year. But the other reason rain is typically such a big deal over here is because whenever it rains, the streets typically flood, namely because of the poor drainage system. And sometimes this is the kind of thing that happens when it rains in Saudi. So for today, the weatherman was predicting not just some light rain, but severe weather storms starting from 1 a.m. this morning.
وشملت مدينة جدة خلال ساعات صباح اليوم خاصة منها الأحياء الشمالية حيث هطلت زخات رعدية من الأمطار.
In the end, it didn't rain until about 10:30 a.m. and even then, it only rained for about 30 minutes. But even with a little rain, this is what it looks like close to our house. And even though it didn't really rain that hard, the people of Jeddah have come out to celebrate early anyway. It's just afternoon. Most of these people should still be at work, but they've hit the streets hard. They're out celebrating. Good on them. I'm gonna go out and join them. See you later. So given there's not much happening on the rain front, might as well grab a coffee from the top coffee spot in Saudi Arabia, Barnes Coffee. If there's one thing that you can count on, there will always be a huge lineup at Barnes. Check it out. Keep going. Coffee.